Learn Azerbaijani. To go equals.
Getmək.
Present tense made easy. Welcome. Hey, you made it. Let's have fun and learn fast. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab extras at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master to go in Azerbaijani.
Getmək.
Let's roll. Your goal today. You'll nail the present tense and the base verb. Easy rhythm, clear forms. Infinitive.
Getmək.
I go.
Mən gedirəm.
You go, singular.
Sən gedirsən.
He goes.
O gedir.
She goes.
O gedir.
It goes.
Gedir.
We go.
Biz gedirik.
You, plural, go.
Siz gedirsiniz.
They go.
Onlar gedirlər.
Chant the forms. Follow my beat, repeat out loud. Your neighbors will be impressed. Clap once.
Mən gedirəm.
Clap twice.
Sən gedirsən.
Snap.
O gedir.
He. Snap again.
O gedir.
She. Wave forward.
Gedir.
It goes. March step.
Biz gedirik.
Point to the group.
Siz gedirsiniz.
Big group cheer.
Onlar gedirlər.
Funny dialogue. Time for a silly scene so you remember forever. You, ready to go? Friend, absolutely.
Mən gedirəm.
You, cool, first.
Sən gedirsən.
Then.
Biz gedirik.
Another friend, where's Ali? You.
O gedir.
By taxi, fashionably. Project status? You, it goes.
Gedir.
Slowly, like a turtle on roller skates. Tour guide voice.
Siz gedirsiniz.
To the left.
Onlar gedirlər.
To the right, nobody into the fountain, please. Everyone together, time to move.
Getmək.
Mode, on. Culture tip. Travel vibe check, Baku style. On Baku Boulevard, friends often say,
Gedək.
let's go, before an evening stroll. You might also hear,
Necə gedir?
meaning, how's it going, perfect to remember.
Gedir.
Mini drills. Quick call and response. Say it before I reveal it. Say, I go. Answer.
Mən gedirəm.
Say, you go, singular. Answer.
Sən gedirsən.
Say, he goes. Answer.
O gedir.
Say, she goes. Answer.
O gedir.
Say, it goes. Answer.
Gedir.
Say, we go. Answer.
Biz gedirik.
Say, you go, plural. Answer.
Siz gedirsiniz.
Say, they go. Answer.
Onlar gedirlər.
Say the base verb, to go. Answer.
Getmək.
Quick quiz. No pressure, just play along. Which one means, you, plural, go? A.
Sən gedirsən.
B.
Siz gedirsiniz.
C.
Biz gedirik.
Answer. B.
Siz gedirsiniz.
True or false?
Gedir.
Can mean, it goes. Answer. True. Fill in. They go, equals, blank. Answer.
Onlar gedirlər.
Which is the infinitive? A.
Getmək.
B.
Gedirəm.
C.
Gedirlər.
Answer A.
Getmək.
Challenge mode. You've got this. Speak boldly. Say, I go now. Answer.
Mən indi gedirəm.
Say, we go to the park. Answer.
Biz parka gedirik.
Say, you, plural, go first. Answer.
Siz əvvəl gedirsiniz.
Say, it goes well. Answer.
Yaxşı gedir.
Wrap up. Look at you, moving like a pro. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Getmək.
And the forms.
Mən gedirəm. Sən gedirsən. O gedir. Gedir. Biz gedirik. Siz gedirsiniz. Onlar gedirlər.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning goodies. See you next time.